Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be making honey pork. So let's start cooking. I'm going to marinate my pork right now. I'm using 330 grams of streaky pork or 五花肉, kind of sizes like this. You need to add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. You need pepper too, a few dashes of it, and 1 egg white from an egg. Now we are doing a very light marinade over here, thus I'm not putting in too much of a soy sauce or oyster sauce because we will have a sauce to accompany this. So mix them up well first, and then we will add in our potato flour or potato starch. You can use corn flour or tapioca flour, no problem. Half a cup of this, and mix them up well and leave them in the fridge to marinate for approximately 1 hour or so. I'll see you back in a while. We are now prepared to fry the pork. Make sure you mix them up well first. We'll be doing a double fry because we want this to be really crispy. I'm going to fry this in 2 separate batches because of the amount of pork that I have, and always never overcrowd your wok. Leave them alone for a minute or so. Don't move them around first because we want the crust to form first. This will be so juicy, so crispy, and so nice. Right, something like this will be good. Just a light golden brown because we want to double fry this. So I'm removing this from the oil now. I can feel how crispy they are already. Put in the second batch. Now we proceed to do the second frying. Heat up the oil. Make sure it's really hot. Then we put all in. Smells really good. When they're golden brown like this, we'll remove them from the oil. Really, really crispy now. Next, we'll prepare the sauce for the pork. Now we'll prepare the sauce. Heat up a wok or pan. Add in a little bit of oil. 1 tablespoon of ginger grated. 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Fry until fragrant. You don't have to brown this. I'm using medium heat over here. Remember to stir them. We don't want to burn this. When you can smell it, we'll add in half a cup of water. We also add in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, as well as 2 tablespoons of honey. This dish is very simple. This is all you need to make this beautiful sauce. Just make sure that we mix everything up nicely. And before we thicken it up, let's just give this a taste to make sure that it's sweet and savory enough for us. Beautiful. I'm just going to thicken this up a little bit. I'm going to thicken this up with cornstarch solution now. I'll turn up the heat a little bit just to make sure that it's boiling. The trick to having crispy pork is to up the heat to the sauce, put the pork in, and toss quickly. Time to serve this. And now the pork is done, let's have a taste. Very flavorful. You can taste the ginger, the garlic, the sweetness from the honey. Really good. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our honey pork. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.